Hello guys, just wanted to do a quick video on Tesla short. I wanted to recap the Tesla short separately today because the reason I wanted to do that is, I see a lot of people trying to buy dip every day because they think it's too low. Nothing isn't too low. As I've been teaching from years and years, nothing is too low, nothing is too high. You just have a system that tells you when to long and when to short. If you were trying to buy the Tesla dips today, you get bagged, right? We tried to long Tesla, right? We tried to long Tesla, but it never confirmed our long. So let's look at it. Let's look at my guidance, what I was talking about in the community today. Let's look at it. So let's first see what I was trying to do, right? So what I was trying to do in the morning, we wanted to long it, but where was what? So 263 was our support pivot and 265 was a breakout level at the open, right? First 1 minute after the market opened, that's what I'm talking about. That let it confirm for the long bias. We were long on it other days. So those that's what we. And let's look at how we were ready in the pre-market for Tesla. So for Tesla, we knew our resistance pivot is 265. If that never crosses, it's never a long. It's never a breakout long. So you don't add there. And we knew our support pivots were 263, 262.50, 261. So that was our pre-market plan. We knew that if these levels break down, it's a bearish short idea. So now let's look at the chart and our day to day what happened. So what was happening, right? So let's look at step by step, right? What was happening? So rejecting the clouds, no go under 263. So when I see this candle right here, this rejection candle under 263, that's when I say, that's, so look what I'm saying at 9:35. Tesla rejecting under clouds, no go under 263. Right? So we have a plan. We have a plan. We are not blindly trying to buy because like an amateur trader who just thinks, oh, Tesla is a good stock, let's buy. So that's not how you do it. Right? And then what happens? It further breaks down that opening 10-minute candle. And that's when I say bearish, no interest. Check the 1 hour chart. Why did I say check the 1 hour chart? Look at the 1 hour chart. It's breaking under 3450. So my system is telling me it's changing the trend. If that's fine, whatever system you have, you should have a system. So let's just talk about EMAs. It's breaking a 50 EMA, right? So even if it's breaking a 50 EMA, it's bearish. That's why I said check 1 hour chart. And it's bearish. And then it's a short, right? That's why I was on the voice in the community. I said only shorts, no long. What I'm saying here, Tesla, Google, no long. That's what I said at 9:54. And then I said bearish, should pull back to 260 level. Then we start to look at what are our targets. We hit a short here. If we start a short here, we know 265 is our ultimate risk. We can also have the risk at 264, the previous candle highs, and then we just stay the short. And then I keep saying, still has room, do not long. Why do I say it? Because I know an amateur trader sees the dip. He says, oh, it's a good opportunity. It's down 3 points. How low can it go? Guys, my old followers know this can keep going as low as possible. There is nothing too low, right? There's nothing too low. And let's see what happens. 260 level hits. Okay, so 260 level hit. I say cover some at 260. Still heavy. It's trying to make a bear flag. Never got over the Ripster EMA Cloud. Still heavy. Then what are my next targets? 258, 257, 70. Am I ever looking at trying to long it? No. Am I saying long it? No. I'm just saying do not try to long. And still there were some people trying to long on Twitter followers. There are few in my community who recently joined who do not understand my teachings because what I'm trying to teach you here will save you money. Of course, it won't make you millions, but it will save you money, preserve and change your mentality of staying with the trend, guys. Yes, I have a swing on Tesla long, that's a different account, but I trade in a different account, a day trade account. And just alone in this Tesla short trade, you would have turned $1,000 to $4,000 or $10,000 into $50,000, whatever you wanted to trade in. 260 puts went 300%, guys. 260 puts went 300%. Another bear flag, bear flag, bear flag, bear flag, bear flag. Not a single buyer whole day long. You know, my final target was 254.71 was my next target. Even then I rolled into 252 puts. They went 30%. I used my profit to roll into next puts. Was I trying to long? No. So when such moves happen, guys, let your system decide you. My system never told me it's reversing. Never even it moved over 13 EMAs or 512 Ripster EMA clouds. And that's how you make exponential gains. That's how you grow your account. Not trying to buy the dip just because it's low and not understanding the trend system. Especially if you're trading on margin, this day will blow your account. I know someone somewhere is blown up on Tesla longs today because they were just too bullish. So guys, you know, this is why I just wanted to recap this. Look at this trade all day, right? Levels, 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 all day guidance. So that's what I teach. I've been teaching from years. I just wanted to make a separate video. So even if I save one person from next time getting bagged, buying the dips, and same thing is for shorting when it's uptrend, right? If you were shorting Tesla whenever it ran crazy upside, the same thing that I'm saying today. You know, same thing works for the short side. If our system says long, we stay longs. And I do it day in, day out in my community, or my followers, or who follow my website, my YouTube, they know my teachings. We stay with the trend. And I hope this video at least helps one person who can. And I also already see some good feedback. A lot of people did good on Tesla short. In my community, most of people were short there. And a lot of them didn't hold till the end, but we are working on it. So anyways, guys, just wanted to recap that. You can pause the screen, see my comments. I will put it on Twitter as well. Thank you so much. Take care. See you guys tomorrow.